dig. Why don't you sit down on top of me? I'm tired of using technology.
What's going on, guys? This is another video by TechKid91, and welcome to my new build. And I say new build in regard to the fact that I just literally rebuilt the computer and put it in the 750D as opposed to the Antec 1100 that it was in before. Just some thoughts on the 750D so far. I've had it in this case for about, let's say it's 04:39 in the morning right now. I've had it in here for a good 8 hours. And the case is amazing. I mean, compared to what I had to deal with the Antec 1100, not saying anything bad about Antec, it's just that this 750D, it just blows all of the Antec's shortcomings out of the water. It is amazing. If you are considering purchasing a Corsair case, I'd say go ahead and do it. Granted, this is my first case by Corsair, my third PC case overall. I don't really, change enclosures that often, though I do build a number of PCs throughout the year, which is a lot of fun to me. And I assume it's a lot of fun to y'all as well, because, hey, at the end of the day, we are all enthusiasts. And I thank y'all for watching this video. Alright, now, in this video, I'm going to at least attempt to show you the process of which I took rather to get my build to the way it is right now. Alright, now the board has been successfully installed onto, I guess I could say, the motherboard tray, even though it's not removable like the Case Lab ones. I don't know if I'll ever own a Case Labs case. I probably will, because I'm an enthusiast, and as new products come out, I'd like to explore them as much as my bank account would allow me to. I say that jokingly. Alright guys, well that's about it. It's a wrap. The computer is complete at the moment. I have some upgrades I would like to put in there, and hopefully they are more eminent than I can venture to imagine right now. Of the upgrades I would like to make is definitely that graphics card, even though the R7750 from ATI, and I still say ATI because to me they're always going to be ATI, even though AMD kind of took over and started calling everything AMD. But if you're like me, if you've been in the game long enough, then you know what ATI is. And I can't remember what they stand for, but I remember Ruby. She was pretty cool. Alright, now before I end this video, I'll just let you know what I have installed in the system so far. From the top down, I have my two Corsair 120, SB120 PWM fans, paired to the Antec Cooler 620 liquid cooling system that is cooling my Intel Core i5 2500K overclocked to 4.2 gigahertz at the moment CPU. And right next to it is the first set of, I guess I can call it set because it's two. First upgrade I'd like to make, rather change and upgrade, because I'd like to increase the capacity of my DIMM sticks, are those DIMM sticks. They're blue, they have to go. Even though they're really good sticks, I've had them in there ever since I first built this system. In one of my older cases, the one before the Antec 1100, I think I had a 300 version 2 or something like that. Old case, really old case. And it's nothing compared to this Corsair 750D, but that's beyond the point right now. So there we go, we have pretty much everything on the board so far. And over to the drives. Right now I have a OCZ Agility 3 SSD. Right beneath that is a mechanical 2.5-inch drive that I took out of a laptop I'm no longer using. And now we are going to come down to the drive bay, or the drive cage. Right there, first spot is the Corsair Commander for the Corsair Link system. It's a pretty good system, even though the software is a little buggy. For those of you who do utilize it, you know what I'm talking about. Sometimes I start it up and it just really doesn't want to detect any temperatures. It doesn't want to set any of the fan speeds, and I really, at that point, have to restart my computer. But it's not that big of a deal with an SSD and fast RAM and an overclocked processor. It doesn't take very long to boot up anymore. Actually, it never really did. Beneath that are my two storage drives. I have a lot more in my server. The server is my central storage location right now. Not really the computer, but I have them in there, just to have them somewhere to put stuff. And that is about it. On the front, here's my Antec Varus Elite. It is a pretty cool information panel. You can use a remote that comes with it to turn on your computer, adjust the volume, all that good stuff. And with me being in my room right now, it's a pretty good setup right now to have. When I get ready to go to sleep, I set one of the buttons on the remote to turn the monitors off, so I'm not having to deal with the glare on my face. Other than that, I watch a lot of Netflix. I have the sound from my entertainment system passing through to my computer, and I would show you that right now, but it's a little messy over there. A little bit like my cable management. I'm really going to go in there and tidy all that up, and you guys will get to see the aftermath of what I do in future videos as I upgrade parts. Alright, thank you so much again for watching this video. Please do like, rate, or dislike, and comment, and please do subscribe so I can continue to make these videos. It's definitely something I want to keep doing. It's fun to me, and I thank y'all one more time.